Want to see how to do a DIY wreath? If you're interested, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and today I'm participating in an open invitation collaboration. Now this collaboration is entitled Winter Seasonal Wreath Challenge, and it's hosted by a wonderful YouTuber, Creative Homescaping with Pat. Now I'm going to give you the rules that she had for this collaboration, and they are as follows. Create a wreath of any shape or any size. A is from scratch. Use a wreath foam, revamp an existing wreath, or embellish an existing wreath. Number 2, your video is to be uploaded on Friday, November 30th after midnight Pacific Daylight Time. Mention my channel and the playlist in your video, and also link them both in your description box. Number 4, put the hashtag Seasonal Wreath Challenge Winter 2019 in the first line of your description box. And number 5, have fun and be creative. So if you're interested in seeing what I came up with for this challenge, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie, and I am going to show you the items that I'm using for my DIY wreath. First, we're going to start off with the flowers. I have white poinsettias that I got from the Dollar Tree. I have 2 sets. And then I have 1 gold poinsettias from the Dollar Tree. Then I purchased these beautiful silver flowers. These were in my bin. I know they came from Dollar Tree, but I do not know what they are. The next I purchased was some berries in gold and in silver from the Dollar Tree. The next item I'm going to use are some gold Christmas ornaments. These are 3 I already had. I purchased these at Dollar Tree, I think last year or either the year before last. Now I'm using the DIY wreath. Well, I'm using the DIY wreath that's containing the garland from the Dollar Tree and the wire wreath, the silver one. I sprayed it with the artificial snow to get it to look the way I wanted it to look. And I also will be using my glue gun, a pair of scissors, and some wire cutters. So let's get started. I'm going to put a picture on the screen to show you the wreath that I am going to attempt to copy. It's one I saw at Big Lots, and I wanted to see if I could do it. I kind of think I can, so here's the picture, and let's get started.
Now don't you act so coy. Let us go and fill all the little children's hearts with joy. Rudolph, my dear, you know the forecast ain't clear. So will you please light the way and lead old Santa sleigh? Yeah, lead old Santa sleigh. Come on and lead old Santa sleigh. Hey, let's do it one more time, one more time.
Well, here's the finished product. I think it came out pretty good. I didn't want the full gray effect like the picture, but I wanted it to be flopped. But I should have added the berries, but the berries are in now. I don't think I'm gonna take them out, I'm not sure, but I think it looks pretty good. So tell me what you think down below if you like it compared to the picture. So, as always, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, saying thank you for watching, and you be blessed.